hello. Oh, I better put these on. Well, hello, and welcome back to the steam. I can't even talk. Hello, and welcome back to In the Steam Shop. My name is John. Today is yard sale Saturday in Redwater. Everybody's out and about, and I'm out here in the steam shop. The folks across the road have got a bunch of my planters that I've made, and they're up for sale. Need some money for more steel to build more rail. And with everybody in town this weekend, they're driving up and down the back alley here coming from Pembina Place. And so I've taken the engine and run it outside, sitting at the end of the driveway. So if I suddenly get up and take off on you, not that I want to, you guys are great. It's because I'm talking to people. I'm showing them the engine, and I'm trying to generate some interest in it, so that hopefully people start coming around. I did have a couple of young lads from across the road, and you know my bad habits, I forgot to ask them their names, and they let them at the engine, let them run the engine up and down, up and down, up and down. These guys had smiles on their faces as wide as pumpkins. It was beautiful. It was fantastic. It was more exciting. Something to see, something that I like to do. I like to have these kids enjoy it. Maybe I can get them interested in this model engineering stuff I do. Speaking of which, I'm working on the upper plate for the two-cylinder today, while I keep watching for people going by. It has been a fun day. It has been that watching those kids run that engine. They were just in heaven. Most of these kids don't get to play with equipment like this. They might. These two young gentlemen haven't even ridden a quad or a motorbike yet. They thought this was great. Great big huge motor pulling up and down the track. Yeah, they spun the tires a lot, spun the wheels. But it was a good test for the track too, so fun, fun, fun. That's what I like. Anyway, got to skedaddle.
So, this will be my religious episode in that when I'm finished that plate, it'll be holy. I sure wish I had a surface plate to do this work off of. Wish I had a lot of other equipment. I don't, so I have to improvise. And don't mind me using the scribe to center punch. Give it a light tap, and it just makes it much easier for me to find the location so that I can use the automatic center punch to get the actual mark. So I ran off there for a second. Checking the numbers, figure out where all these marks are supposed to be. Then making the mistake of a lifetime. Not reading the drawing properly. And I'm trying to calculate where these holes go. When you add in calculations to something that's already been figured out, you're going to make mistakes. Now on we go to the drilling. Yes, we are going to make a holy plate. drill
Are
bit
we
was
having
wiggling. I
fun yet?
didn't have it quite square in the chuck. We'll fix that. That's one of the 5/16 inch holes I was supposed to drill, and that's a 1/4 inch drill bit. There's 2 holes on there that have to be 1/4 inch. Now here's where we get into something that I slowed down for so that people can see my techniques. This is something not often shown on machining videos. That one skill has, when done properly, made me eat my words on cheap Asian drills. So if you watch my technique, that's the one that was shown to me on that one video, and I think Mr. Pete's got a good piece on it. The angle is indicated to me by the line on the plate there, and then properly rotating the drill up. Take the same number of what do you call it? Strokes on each side of the spiral flute. That's the word. And take your time. Don't let it get too hot. Like I said, it made me eat my words on those cheap drill bits. And the results have been fantastic. Now if I can quit breaking them. I think it's time to dress my wheels again on the grinder.
See how that does. That was a good one. Hot dang!
If you'd like to help support me in my efforts in the Steam Shop, you can go to my page on Patreon. And the money that's comes in helps me to buy steel to keep the projects going, and hopefully to make improvements to the machine shop. So go to patreon.com, John Rysdyke. $5, $10 a month. That's all I'm asking.